Hey, what's up guys? Captain Riptide hitting you from quarantine, out here by myself trying to keep safe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to bleed your brake fluid and swap it with some DOT 4. I'm going to show you guys how to do that on my 2019 BRZ with the Brembos. Now these are the tools you're going to need. 19mm socket, your key for your lock nuts if you have them, a breaker bar. I use the included lug nut wrench with a cheater bar attachment. The brake fluid you're going to swap with, hose, a bottle of water to catch your brake fluid, and an 11mm wrench for the valves. So the first thing you want to do is remove some of your existing brake fluid. Now the rich person would use a turkey baster to remove it, but I managed to ghetto rig a soap dispenser into the hose, into my grabber, and then from there you can just pump it straight out of the reservoir. It just sucks it right out of there. Cool. Alrighty, so I wanted to show my setup here. So I just took off the little plastic thing there, put the hose around it, but I put the wrench first, box end. And then right here is the jacking point. I'm doing one wheel at a time. You want to put it right inside where those two notches are. Alrighty, so the way we're going to do this is I'm going to ask my helper friend to push on the brake. He's going to tell me when he does it. I'm going to loosen the valve. Brake fluid's going to shoot out. I'm going to close the valve and tell him to release the brake. Alright, go ahead and push.
Pushing.
Alright, and we can see the brake fluid come out.
Pushing.
I'm going to close it. Alright, let go.
Let go.
And we're going to do that 10 times. I'm going to show you how to do the front brakes now. So, front one is located here. Back one is over here. I just put the wrench around and then the hose. My partner is going to go and push on the brake. Go ahead. And then close. Okay. And now that noise is normal. That is just more oil being pumped into the pump. Now I'm going to take this off. After you do a set of pistons, check your reservoir. So you'll see this is below the line. The line's around here if you can't really tell. I'm going to go ahead and fill it up. And there we go. Hits the max line. Alrighty, so once you put the weight back on the wheel, you're going to hand tight it while it's up, and once you put it down, you're going to torque wrench it down to 89 foot-pounds or 120 Newton meters. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. I always do 2 clicks, but some people say that's wrong. All right, hey guys, just finished it up. I also did the clutch fluid, just bled it. I think I'll replace it on a different day. If that's something you guys would like to see, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, check out my other videos. Also catch me on CitrusBros YouTube channel, link in the bottom. And of course, I'll put links to all the tools I used, as well as the oil I used. And if you guys like this, I'll try to make more tutorials. I want to do more work on the car. Right now, it's just stock. Thinking of wheels and tires next. Definitely some form of oil cooler. High oil temps when I went on the racetrack last time. And then, of course, the header. And then we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.